Hey everyone, welcome to another recipe. Today's recipe is a very simple one with simple ingredients, and you can customize with different flavors or additions. Start by preheating the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Then mix the softened butter with the sugar until well combined. I usually soften the butter in the microwave, and maybe 1 minute or 2. I just check from time to time. I poke a finger into it and it should be soft. This time I didn't soften it enough and it was a little bit harder to work with, but it's doable. You can also mix it with a handheld mixer. I usually do it by hand. It's a little bit of an exercise. And you can also get the feeling of the dough or whatever you're doing. Okay, now I just add a pinch of salt. I usually use salt in my sweet baking stuff. Some vanilla flavor. I had some artificial one, but feel free to use the real good one, the natural one. I then added 2 tablespoons of yogurt. You can also use sour cream or just plain cream or milk, and mix it all together until it's all absorbed and softened a little bit. I then added 400 grams of flour in batches. First just a little bit so that it can get to a state where I can use my hands and it's not that sticky. I mix the dough only until the flour is incorporated. We don't want to have too much gluten development because the cookies have to be crispy, not elastic. Okay, and now we have to form the balls, and I will lay them on this cookie sheet. You can also use parchment paper, or you can lay them directly on the cookie sheet. They will not stick because they have so much fat inside. have to flatten these dough balls, and I use a measuring cup, but you can also use a normal cup or something that has a flat bottom. I bake them 15-20 minutes. Mine are a little bit burned on the edges. You have to be on top of them. They can easily burn. Transfer all of them on a cooling rack and leave them for cooling completely before storing them. I store mine in a cooking jar that it's airtight. You can also use a box. I hope you liked the recipe and you'll give it a go. And that's it. We'll see each other in the next video. Bye.